Alright, this is February 2nd, 2022. Snowstorm. Oh. Cricket. Whew, it's pretty out here though. I forget I have a microphone on. Let's see how this sounds. Nobody judge about my snow shoveling skills. It's getting done and I'm having fun. It seems like nobody's getting no traction out here. They're slipping and sliding. I'm not driving. Kind of sloppy wet at the bottom. Not really talking about nothing. It's because I gotta breathe the shovel. That's what smoking does. Real talk. Alright, how's it looking over there? A little crooked. Try and clean that up there. Cement's breaking. Guess I'll get some of the neighbors. He's old. Can't do this whole damn driveway though. Still got mine to do. Ooh, everything's so pretty white. Alright, let's check, see how we're doing. $8 to 12 inches, I think they said.